هذا مطعم شهير جدا في قلب المدينة القديمة في تالين بإستونيا، يتميز بجو العصور الوسطى.
Hello.
Hello.
Would you like to try sushi diamonds?
Okay. Thank you.
Open your ears and close your mouths. Welcome to the wealthy merchant's house. And tables here are wide and steady. Tasty dishes, drinks are ready. Vivat!
وهذا قدرهم في العصور الوسطى. تذكرت أفلام كرتون. هذه المغسلة حقتهم في العصور الوسطى. الإضاءة هنا داخل المطعم كله بالشموع، والديكور من الخشب. Thank you. والديكور من الخشب والحديد. Hello. Thank you.
Lots of ashes left that go into a
Greetings and hello, welcome to Olde Hansa. Yes, yeah. Sweeties. Here we go. Livonian lamb is halal, they told me. Lamb is very nice, to be honest, good dish, quite sensible. Then this veal cheek, this is halal, this is cow, mumu, veal cheek, is very good. And then the duck leg is also very good, and it's also halal, they know for sure. Grilled salmon is also good,
Oh,
for
great.
example. Yeah.
Can you say something from the Middle Ages?
Vivat. Vivat means hooray in Latin.
Ah.
When people drink here and they want to knock together, we say, you can say vivat.
Vivat.
Vivat. Yeah.
Great, thanks.
I'll give you a few moments.
Thank you.
Here I have duck leg in saffron sauce. Lovely grilled salmon. Grilled salmon, there's parsnip and a nice bun on the next to it as well. Who wants fish?
Me.
Of course, well, there you go. Then after that, we've got a lovely mushroom soup with our own local bread. Bread has nuts in it though, all right? Enjoy the soup, homies. A very fancy sea salad. Crab on top and some fresh fish. Who wants salad? Please enjoy. Hello, good people. How is the food? It's good. Food is good. Service sucks. I know. It's normal. Do you need to pay with a card?
No, with a bag of gold.
Bag of gold, my sir. Very good, even better. I will have your bags of gold then, please. There's the bill. You know.
Yes, with a gold.
Thank you, sir. Excellent. Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a fine evening. Lots of love. Back to the hot country. Oh, it's too hot here as well. Oh, well. Thank you and bye bye.